In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Apps section available here. Now tap on Dual Apps. Click Create at the bottom and then tap on one of those options. You can select an app from Recommended section or click on the switcher next to any of those right away. Let's start with the switchers. Tap on the gray one next to an app you wanna clone. Choose Turn On in the pop-up and wait. When I go back to check it out, I can see that Amazon Shopping was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, use the same Now Blue switcher and tap on OK in the pop-up. If you want to clone one of the recommended ones, tap on the chosen one. Clone it thanks to gray switcher next to Dual Apps. Choose Turn On in the pop-up, but this time adjust those two options. Share to WhatsApp and wake using Google Assistant. Tap on the chosen option and pick one of those. Always ask Default App or Dual App. After adjusting those sections however you want to, you can go back and check out your cloned app. You can delete it by tapping blue switcher and hitting OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!